Howdy y'all, Dave with Alliance Garage Doors here. Just left a job where the lady had a bad logic board, and she swears it was only 5 years old, and she showed me a receipt for it. But the logic board said '05 on it. So whatever company installed this opener, or they actually came back for repair later on, they either put a used opener in there in the first place, or they put a used logic board in there during the repair. And as well, during the repair, they put the wrong springs on her door. So yeah, there's a lot of dishonest companies out there, guys. I'm not one of them. You want a good, honest repair facility? Call Alliance. See you guys.